Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make mango habanero sauce. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for joining us. Like I said, we're going to be making mango habanero sauce. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We are going to start out with a cup of mango peach juice concentrate, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 4 habanero peppers, juice of 1 lime, 3 tablespoons of mango peach jelly, 3 tablespoons of orange marmalade, 1 teaspoon of some minced garlic, half a teaspoon of some granulated garlic, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, and a little pinch of salt and pepper to bring it all together. Let's start making it up. Alright, got all our ingredients. I am just going to take and start adding our thicker ones like our jellies to this. We got our marmalade and our peach mango juice. Throw that right in there. Now the habaneros, I'm just going to take the stem out and put them right in there because I want that heat. That heat's going to pair really nicely with the sweetness of this. So I'm taking all the stems off and throwing the whole habanero in there. Salt and pepper, paprika, we got our garlic and onion, got the vinegar, our juice concentrate, and then our juice. Alright, we'll cover the lid on this. Here we go. Alright, we have got kind of a thin mixture here. I'm going to check it out, see what it looks like. Ooh, smells good. There it is. Now I'm going to pour it into this pot right here, double checking that all the stuff got mixed up. I'm going to throw this on a burner, medium-high heat, bring it up to simmer, and let that simmer till it thickens up just a bit. I'm also going to throw in the food that we're going to be using to give these a taste. Alright, about 15 minutes on simmer. It's thickened a little bit, but if you want it to be even thicker, you can add a little bit of water and cornstarch to it. Tighten it up just a little bit, but we're going to add these to some chicken nuggets, and then we're going to plate it up to make it look nice, and we're going to come back and taste it. Don't go away. Beautiful looking sauce, beautiful looking sauce. Well, let's give it a little taste here. Dip it in there and get a bite. There is that chicken nugget with the sauce on it, just coated. That is fantastic. It is hot, it's very spicy, but that jam that we used in there and the jelly cuts right through it. You get that acidity from the vinegar, the paprika, got a little bit of a smokiness in there, but it's just a beautiful sauce too. The way you grind it up and you got little pieces of and flecks of the seed in there, it gives it a nice contrasting look, a lot of depth. But yeah, this is very good, very good. I urge you to give it a try. Like I said, if you want it thicker, add a little bit of cornstarch. It'd be like a sweet and sour sauce then. And want less heat, take the seeds out. So what else can I say? The recipe is down in the description box and in the first comment. So go ahead, give that a try. Thanks a lot for watching. Mango habanero sauce. It's really good. Got to give it a try. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping, bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping, bumping from the soul kitchen.